Okay, guys, you know what you're supposed to do right now. Pause it, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink because I want you to enjoy my room tour for the fall of 2021 and much, much more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host today, Gigi Face, and thank you all so much for stopping by. I welcome you into my home this day as we are going to decorate this coffee table for the fall. Now, I don't do a lot of decorating for the fall, just a few pieces here and there, but I did decorate my family room here. As you can see, this is the fireplace that I put together earlier on, maybe September, early September. I don't know. I can't keep up with all these things. This is the first that I put up earlier. It was part of a collaboration. I think it was in September. So this is my fireplace. And so I will share with you the rest of the room, and I'm going to bring you along as we put this coffee table together for the fall. So it's going to be, I'm going to share with you how I'm putting my coffee table together for the fall. So here I share with you some of the items that I may or may not use, or I may use all or none. So, but this is what we're starting with, and we are going to see how we can really pull this together. And as you can see, these are non-traditional colors for the fall, but I do love these colors. So you guys, if you are new, I welcome you to my channel. I welcome you to my home. And if you would like to become a part of my family here, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I take this opportunity to say I thank you, I appreciate you, and I love you all so very much. So continue to enjoy this video as I will share with you my great room for the fall season, and a few other touches that I have made throughout my home for the fall. As I stated before, I don't do a lot of decorating for the fall, but I do like a few touches here and there. So continue to enjoy. The tray that you see here is from Amazon, and my wreath is from, I want to say, either the Home Goods Store, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx, one of the three.
and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count and my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. Hey, I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Spend a day looking blank out the window. All looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo. Nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow. Shadows lurk all around in my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count and my sense till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone.